Hi Jim, I'm going to show you how to find your feedback on your syllabi. I realized that I've told you the wrong place to go. I put a link here and that's taking you to the following location. It's a direct link, but it's taking you to activities, oops, I'm clicking too fast, and assignments, and this is where you submitted, so it's just showing you record of the submission. So instead, I'm going to change that link. Thanks for reminding me. See, when I do these things as an instructor to you instructors posing as students in this section, then I get a review about how students see things as well. So instead, please go to grades. So I'm in D2L right now as a student. The BCC high school programs show as a student, so I'm seeing things the way you should. So when you click on grades, you should see the feedback I've provided for you about your syllabus there. And the points are just there for me to keep track of who completed the work. And I'll be submitting the hours that you worked to complete all of the professional development in the last 3 weeks, probably next week sometime. Hopefully that answers your question, and thanks for calling that to my attention so I can let everybody else know that I gave the wrong link. Thanks a lot. Have a nice weekend.